As an avid motorcyclist, I know just how important your ability to see and be seen can greatly increase your overall safety. And at Clearwater, your safety is our #1 priority. Clearwater Lights are the brightest on the market. They're easy to install, and they provide an all-in-one solution for your lighting needs. We offer auxiliary lighting for your motorcycle in a variety of sizes, intensities, and beam angles for most any riding style. Custom lighting kits are available for specific American, Japanese, and European models, but we can outfit most any bike with our wide array of mounting brackets and hardware kits. Our kits include mounting brackets and hardware that's specific to your bike's year, make, and model. We also include the wiring harness, fuse, and electrical connectors, so you won't have to waste valuable time searching for additional components to complete the installation. And don't forget to protect your valuable investment with a set of removable protective lens covers. They're specifically designed for Clearwater Lights. They're available in clear and selective yellow to custom tailor your lighting output. Clearwater Lights are fully adjustable because your visibility and illumination needs change constantly based on factors like traffic, weather, terrain, and the location of the sun based on your position and direction of travel. With just the quick turn of a knob, you can adjust the light output based on your lighting situation at any time. You can even mount multiple light sets or combine lighting sets to suit your individual riding needs. We've also incorporated some unique features into the Clearwater lighting harness. For better visibility, we provide a simple one-wire solution which allows you to activate your Clearwater lights using the factory high beam switch. This helps you keep your eyes on the road and less time fumbling for auxiliary lighting switches. You also have the ability to connect your Clearwater lights to your bike's factory horn. When properly connected, the lights will flash continuously whenever the horn button is pressed, helping warn others and increasing your presence in traffic. For the ultimate attention getter, install one of our Billy brake lights. It's an intelligent brake light module that utilizes the motorcycle's CAN bus sensor data to provide programmable, attention-getting visibility. 2 versions are available: a full perimeter license plate frame with embedded lights, and our Billy Junior light bar that attaches above or below your license plate. Both versions provide identical lighting functionality. For increased braking visibility, you can select one of the 4 modes. Mode 1 is the off mode. The Billy brake light does not illuminate. Mode 2 is the standard mode. This allows it to function just like the factory brake and tail light does with a simple on and off. Mode 3 is our California legal 4 flash then solid on mode. Mode number 4 is a speed sensitive brake light mode that links the flash rate with the deceleration and braking rate of the bike. The harder you brake, the faster and brighter the brake light flashes. It also deactivates at speeds below 5 miles an hour to eliminate that annoying flashing when you're in stop and go traffic. Within mode 4, there's a separate mode where the brake lights illuminate during deceleration based on the motorcycle's throttle position data. This can warn vehicles following you that you're slowing down before you actually apply the brakes. Clearwater products and components are made in the USA, and we design, assemble, and ship worldwide to you from our facility in Northern California. With over 30 years in the business, we guarantee you'll be satisfied. To learn more about our full line of auxiliary lighting and lighting accessories, visit us at clearwaterlights.com.